Hey, I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor, and I saw this other video. It was pretty interesting. 10 tips to crush it in real estate. And I thought, it inspired me to make one for you loan officers. So here's 10 tips on how to crush it in mortgages. So one, I'm just going to go through her points and address them because respectfully, they're her ideas. So not that I haven't said all of these before one way or another, but here's a combined 10 list. So first of all, it's not even on the list. I love it that she asked for a referral. I love that. She said, I'm licensed in California. If a deal, refer it to me. I'm licensed in California too. If you have a deal, please refer it to me. California, Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, Texas, and Virginia. So there you go. Always ask for a referral. There's no reason not to. And let's get into her top 10. So one, get a mentor. Yeah, you think so? Good ideas. Getting a mentor is like the easy button. It's the easiest way to move forward quickly, is to replicate somebody else's success. So get a mentor, whether it's me or somebody else in the industry or somebody you look up to in your office or locally in your community as a mortgage loan officer or a branch manager. That's a great one. Two, choose your tribe wisely. Yes, I surround myself with positive people. It's one of the reasons you always see me smiling, right? I'm not worried about gloom and doom. I don't focus on the negative. As Tony Robbins would say, where focus goes, energy flows. So I'm always focusing on the positive. So choose your tribe wisely. And this isn't, I've heard this time and time again. You become the 5 people you spend the most time with. So her suggestion was to, surround yourself with people like you. And that's half of it. Surround yourself with people who are better than you, who will challenge you in a positive, loving way to rise up, to grow, to achieve more, whether it's personally, professionally, health-wise, financial. Because if you're all in the same place, you really can't grow from each other as much. You can, but not as much as if I surround myself with other people who are brilliant and actually more successful than me, and I'm confident and I want to learn, I will become more like them. So that's the secret easy button. That's the hack right there. You can have the opportunity to level up in all areas. So number 3, her thing was skip the beers. So regarding networking, right? She's like, there's always a free realtor event. Well, yeah. And hopefully as a loan officer, you're in the center of it. So I don't agree with skipping the networking. However, I'm a big fan of networking smarter, not harder. So if you haven't grabbed my networking 2.0, definitely get that. We'll put the link below. It's part of my trifecta. I don't go to an event without a plan, right? Beers, drinks, networking, an event, whatever. My plan is I already know who I want to meet before I walk in the door. I know who's already going to be there, who can introduce me to those people I want to meet in a positive way. And I usually have a wingman or wingwoman with me who knows who I want to meet as well. And I know who they want to meet as well. And then we work our networking 2.0. So again, you can grab that below. So you can really leverage that. It's great, especially now since people are, kind of coming out of their cocoon from COVID. So people want to be around people and people want to be around happy people. All right. So there's that positive for you. Okay. Number 4, who are the top producers and what are they doing? Yeah, absolutely. You always want to know who the top producers are because, can we go back to number 2, choose your tribe? You are who you surround yourself with. So get to know those top producers. See if they could be one of your mentors because you can have more than one. So do what the top producers are doing because they already have success. Again, the fastest way to create success is to replicate someone else's success. Number 5, she said, don't hang around with other producers, hang out with top producers. So yes and no. As far as the top producers, absolutely hang out with top producers. That's how you learn. If they'll let you just sit next to them while they make calls, while they're dialing for dollars, that'd be tremendous learning opportunity. Whether you're a rookie or whether you've been in the business for 5 years, if somebody is doing better than you, you still have more to learn. I still learn new things every day. It's what keeps me fresh, right? And I can share them with you. So to take it the other way, she said, don't hang around with rookies, only top producers. I think that if you are a rookie or wherever you are, you can still learn from your peers. Again, you always want to be raising the bar and hang around top producers for sure in any aspect of your life, personal, professional. But you can learn from rookies because they're in the same space. They probably are having the same challenges as you, or if you've been doing this for 5 years, right? There are other people around you that probably have the same challenges as you, right? If you're stuck, you're stuck, right? Sometimes I get stuck. I call somebody else, right? Oh yeah. Thank you. 2 heads are always better than 1. 3 heads are always better than 2. Okay. Number 6, she said, don't eat out. I'm kind of a health junkie. So if I am eating out, it's either a special occasion or it is a very specific business meeting, or I'm taking somebody in my office out, right? Processor, junior loan officer, junior loan partner, you know, so, but it's a great way to save money is to brown bag it. And actually you can make it work for you. I mean, if there's a group of people in the office with that you can kick around ideas and that's what you do at lunch instead of just gossip and whatever, I would absolutely take advantage of that. Number 7, don't compare yourself with others. Well, duh. No one's like you. No one's like me. We're all special and individual. So yeah, there's no need for me to compare myself to others because there's only one me. However, when you look around you and you look at the successful people, observe, learn, and grow. And who knows, maybe there's something you can teach them in return or just be there to support them. Number 9, scripts. I love scripts. I'm a big fan of scripts. They work. They're the easy button. Now, absolutely, make them your own, right? If you say yo instead of you, then own it, right? There's only one you, right? I'm in Florida, so sometimes I say y'all, right? Instead of you or all of you, right? That's the vernacular here. So just own it. But absolutely, scripts, they're the easy button for success as well, right? You guys are getting all the tips for the easy buttons for success. So also with scripts, you can really role play. And we do this on my team every Thursday, every week, right? We do a virtual hot seat and we'll pick a topic and you'll start and then you'll take over, you know, and we switch who's the buyer and who's the realtor, who's the buyer and who's the client, or who's the LO and the client. So we switch it all around and we do all kinds of different referral sources too. That's how you get comfortable. You want to be productive, take your brown bag lunch, sit down with your other loan officers, and you guys do that for 30 minutes before or after you start eating on your lunch hour, if you even get an hour, right? And you'll be better for it if you practice consistently. The bottom line is, and I learned this a long, long time ago, if you do the income producing activities and you do them correctly and you do them consistently, the money will come. It's like that movie, Field of Dreams. If you build it, they will come. If you do the income producing activities consistently and correctly, your income will grow. And that's what I'm here to give you, the easy hacks. 10, dress for success. It's true. When you dress up, generally, you feel better about yourself. So I'm all for it. I'm also a big fan of knowing your audience. Okay. What does that mean? So when I was in radio sales, if I had a meeting with a bank, a mortgage company, an advertising agency, absolutely, I would dress up to the T, right? To the nines. If I had a meeting with a restaurant, I would dress just a little down, because you don't want to make the other person feel uncomfortable. You always want to dress the best, but you don't want to make anybody feel uncomfortable. When I used to meet, when I was in radio, when I used to meet with my clients who were, I love this story. They had a horse like activity center, right? Where you could go ride horses on the weekends, that kind of stuff. If I dressed up in a dress or a skirt, they always like to do business on horseback, right? So I had to wear jeans to go there, because otherwise we couldn't even talk the way they wanted to, and the way in the environment that they felt comfortable, right? So I think that's super important. So I hope these tips helped you. Please smash up the like button. Give me some love. Put your comments and questions below. I'd love to answer them. And I'll see you guys soon. Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor, where I help mortgage loan officers make twice the money in half the time.